Greetings. Today we will review Camcorder 4K head-mounted camera Ordro Ep6 wearable video camera. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Features you need to know about this product. Ordro Ep6 head-mounted camcorder. Head-wearing design, let your hands free. Suitable for the designers, gourmet, power engineers, doctors, sculptors, painter, makeup artists, etc. Support. Take pictures and video recording can be used as a webcam when connected to a computer via micro USB cable. Only 0.15 pounds, lightweight and compact camera. The focus range is 0.5 meters × infinity. 4K video camera. Built-in CMOS sensor, 4K at 25 fps. 2.7K at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps. Multiple settable resolutions. Support micro SDHC, SDXC card extend, up to 128 GB. Up to 120-degree shoot angle. Rechargeable camera. This camcorder has a built-in 3.8 volts 1000 mAh lithium battery, before the first use. The camera also supports video recording while charging. You can connect the camera to a power bank via micro USB cable for longer shooting. Buyer's rating by feature. Rated 3.6 for comfort. Rated 3.8 for easy to use. Rated 4.0 for battery life. Rated 4.0 for lightweight. Rated 3.8 for picture quality. Rated 3.5 for value for money. 407 satisfied buyers. Overall 3.8 star rated. Let's see what buyers saying. We checked hundreds of reviews from buyers and selected few of critical reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For full review, please check the link in description. .403 happy users. Best-selling product in market. Overall 3.8 star rated. 66% buyers has 0 complaints. Our verdict is buy but not highly recommended, due to few positive reviews. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.